Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you enhance your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And today's subject, believe it or not, is something that you don't associate with keto, and that is the power of streaks in your ketogenic journey. Yes. Starting a ketogenic lifestyle is a commitment that requires dedication, consistency, and a clear focus on long-term health goals. Whether you're already deep into your keto diet or just considering making the shift to the lifestyle, one strategy that can make a significant difference for you in your terms of your success are streaks. What do streaks matter? Why do they really matter? The concept of streaks might be familiar to those who have practiced daily habits, whether in fitness, learning, or even meditation. The idea is simple. Once you start a positive habit, you mark off each successful day you complete it. The goal? Don't break the chain. When applied to the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, this practice can help you stay motivated, build momentum, and reinforce the commitment you've made to yourself. The longer the streak, the harder it becomes to break it, which keeps you on track. Now let's speak about how to implement the streak method in your keto journey. Number one, set clear goals. Begin by identifying what you want to achieve with your ketogenic lifestyle. Whether it's weight loss, improved energy levels, or better mental clarity, having a clear goal will give your streaks a purpose. Number two, start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many rules at once. Start by marking off each day you successfully stay within your daily carb limit or avoid processed foods. As you build confidence, as you will, you can add more elements to your streak, such as tracking your macros or hitting your daily exercise goals. Number three, visualize your success. Use a calendar, journal, or habit tracking app to visualize your particular streak. Mark off each successful day with an X or a check mark. Seeing a chain of successes can be incredibly motivating to you. It's a visual reminder of your dedication and progress. Number four, celebrate milestones. Every streak will have its milestones, whether it's a week, 2 weeks, or a month. Celebrate these achievements. Reward yourself with something that aligns with your goals, maybe a new keto-friendly recipe book, or a massage, or a small non-food related treat. Number five, don't let a slip break your spirit. Life happens, as we know. Maybe you have a day where things don't go as planned and your streak breaks. Don't let it derail your entire progress. The key is to get back on track the very next day. Remember, it's not about perfection, but consistency over time. Now, why does this method work? The streak method taps into several psychological principles that are key to habit formation. First, it creates a sense of accountability. When you see your progress visualized, you're more likely to keep it up. Second, it builds momentum. Each day you succeed strengthens your commitment, making it easier to continue. Lastly, it fosters resilience. Even if you miss a day, The habit of marking your success encourages you to start a new streak immediately rather than giving up. Now, a final thought on streaks. The ketogenic lifestyle and diet is more than just, as we see it termed in the literature, diet. It's a long-term commitment to your health and well-being. By implementing the streak method, you give yourself a simple yet powerful tool to stay motivated, track your progress, and ultimately achieve your goals. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to mark off another successful step in your journey. So start your streak today and break the chain of inconsistency for good. And I hope you found this discussion helpful. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. And I would certainly be honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll speak to you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.